Today's tutorial is how to listen to Spotify while gaming on Roblox. As you know, Roblox is a gaming platform that allows you to play a wide variety of games, create games, and chat with others online. Since Spotify launched Spotify Island on Roblox, you can directly enjoy music while playing on Roblox. Note that mobile phone users cannot play Spotify in the background when playing on Roblox unless you perform this way. Launch the Roblox app on your device and make sure you've logged in. Then search for Spotify Island. Hit on the top search result and join this server. After you start gaming, tap the play button in the upper right corner to listen to Spotify. Apart from it, you can develop your own game where you can put Spotify songs for listening. So the first thing is to acquire Spotify files for uploading them to Roblox. To do so, install and open Tunelf Spotify Music Converter on your computer. This will launch the Spotify app for a connection. On Spotify, find what you want to listen to on Roblox. Then directly drag it to Tunelf. You can also drag a whole playlist or album for downloading. Once your selected content loads in Tunelf, click the menu button and select Preferences. Select Convert here to personalize something. Before making changes, here are some requirements for Roblox audio. Audio uploads must be less than 7 minutes. It must be either .mp3 or .ogg format. Its sample rate is less than or equal to 48 kHz. Max size per file, 20 MB. Now, you can according to the criterion change the audio format to MP3. After that, you can also set the channel, and adjust the sample rate and bit rate. Then click OK to save all settings. Hover your cursor over the Convert button and hit on it. Tunelf will convert Spotify songs to MP3 at a 5x speed. When the conversion is done, go to the Converted menu to browse all converted songs. Use the search icon to locate them in the local folder. Well, now comes the part you guys may be interested in most: put Spotify songs on Roblox. Open the Roblox Studio to create your game. After opening the Creator, click the View tab from the top bar. Select Asset Manager where you can bulk import audio, images, and more into your game. Hit on the Upload button and locate the converted Spotify MP3 files. Then click Open and Confirm to complete the process. After a moment, the files display with a green checkmark and a completed status. Then go to the Explorer window, hover over Sound Service, then click Sound. In the Properties window, navigate to the Sound ID property and input your imported Spotify songs as the background music. When all things in your game are ready, remember to test and publish your game. It is suggested to make it public and let Spotify users join your server and start listening and playing together. Thanks for watching.